In the heart of Magdalena, Laguna, Rise Against Hunger Philippines is making a difference. Meet one of our assisted families where our dietary supplementation program for school children is changing lives. Undernourishment among school children is a concerning public health issue, especially in rural areas. But thanks to supporters like you, we're addressing this problem. Our school-based DSP provides nutritious diets, improving food security and nutritional status. Our goal? To maintain or improve the nutrition of these children. For the whole school year, we provided daily rice-soy meal supplementation, ensuring each child received the nutrients they needed to thrive. But we didn't stop there. We also offered nutrition education and distributed food packs to families, empowering them to make healthier food choices. Thanks to our generous donors like the Global Food Banking Network, we serve over 46,000 meals to school children in Laguna in 2023. We assessed the body mass index of around 300 children in Magdalena and we saw improvements. After 10 months, there was a 6% increase in children with a normal BMI for their age. Cases of thinness, severe thinness, and obesity decreased.
Sa dalawa ko pong anak, yung isa po ay lalong nalaba talaga. Tapos po ito po ay, yung kanya naman po ay parang sa kanya, ang epekto sa kanya yung patangkad po siya eh. Ganun po. Yung sa isa po yung pataba, yung sa kanya naman po yung patangkad.
These results are a testament to the impact of our program. Together, we're creating healthier futures for these children and their families. Join us in our mission to end hunger and malnutrition.